Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study last minute for maths. First, prioritize your study by identifying the most frequently tested topics and formulas. Focus on understanding the core principles rather than trying to memorize every single detail. Reviewing past examination papers can help you pinpoint recurring question types and allocate your limited time effectively. This strategic approach ensures you cover the most impactful areas, maximizing your chances of success, even with minimal preparation time. Next, engage in active practice. Instead of just rereading notes, solve a few practice problems for each key concept. Work through examples step by step to solidify your understanding of the methods. This active engagement is far more effective than passive review, helping your brain to recall information under pressure. Aim for at least 2 or 3 problems per major topic to reinforce learning. Then, create a quick reference sheet. Compile all essential formulas, definitions, and key steps onto one single sheet of paper. This concise summary will be invaluable for a rapid review just before your exam. Make sure you not only list the formulas, but also understand how to apply each one in various problem scenarios. This tool can boost your confidence significantly. Finally, implement a smart exam day strategy. Ensure you get at least 7 or 8 hours of sleep the night before. Arrive at the examination venue early to settle in and minimize any last-minute stress. Once the exam begins, take a moment to read all instructions and questions carefully before attempting to solve anything. This calm approach can make a significant difference in your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.